My name is Abdullah Hassoune, and I'm the Global Quality Senior Business Process Manager at CoorsTek.
My name is Ron Mehta. My current role is Senior IT Project Manager.
CoorsTek is a leader in engineered high-tech ceramics. We manufacture over 400 different materials used to make thousands of products for our customers. We didn't really have an enterprise system. And that's partly due to our quick acquisitions of companies and our focus on expansion. It was a challenge to meet customer, regulatory, and ISO requirements. Our vision is really a single system with unified processes. We want to have data security and integrity, and then we want it to be configurable and customizable when it's not configurable.
Essentially, we're using ENOVIA as the product lifecycle management system. We're especially concerned with revision control and version control.
So what does the TECHNIA Helium front end really do for us? It simplifies really the user interface and makes it more intuitive and user-friendly. It minimizes the number of clicks required for any task. This was a really big deal. It enabled us to have customized key features, including the ability to create new and unique roles. It enabled us to have customized workflow and quality doc states. We were able to include periodic document review and approval. We're able to expand the search capability and granularity to meet, again, the user needs. It allows customization of the GUI without really affecting or having to modify base ENOVIA code. And again, this was another important selling point and a very big deal for us. There was quite a bit of positive global user response when presented with a demo on the Helium front end. And this is compared with past systems and backends that we presented to the users. This is at the global level, meaning we had different cultures, different languages, different approaches to systems, and it was very well received. So what has our experience with TECHNIA been like? We really found the TECHNIA team to be very experienced and knowledgeable. They were very pleasant and easy to work with. They had solutions for every problem we presented.